Hi, good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jessica Castillo Adriano and I live in Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I am 32 years old and I have a husband and a child age of 8 years old. I have one brother and four sisters. I am the middle child of the family. My first experience here in the Philippines is 7 years with two employers. My first employer for 5 years has 5 family members, husband and wife, the 3 children age of 18, 10, and 11. My duties are cooking, washing the clothes, ironing, and marketing, and taking care of one dog. My second employer is for 2 years, have 5 members of the family also. My primary duties are cooking, washing, ironing, marketing, and I have been a domestic helper in Kuwait for 2 years, year 2022 to 2024, with 4 family members of the family. Husband and wife, one adult, the mother of my employer, and one baby, age of 8 months old. My primary duties are taking care of the baby, washing the clothes, cooking, ironing, marketing. So, ma'am and sir, if you hire me, I'll promise to do my best to take care of your family, and I promise I will not break contract. So, ma'am and sir, I hope to see you soon. Thank you.